Stress is something that we can all experience from time to time. But living in a constant state of stress can negatively impact our health. That's why learning how to manage it is an essential part of living a healthy lifestyle. So today I want to share 10 ways that I've learned to reduce and even prevent stress altogether. I found that a huge part of stress relief came with learning how to process and release my emotions. And a healthy way to do that is through journaling. Journaling can help clear your mind by sorting out your thoughts and feelings. It's something I really enjoy doing because it provides me with an outlet to express exactly what I'm feeling without holding back or worrying that I might offend someone. It's a great way to release those negative feelings and get them out of your system. But I don't want to just dwell on the negativity, so after I journal out all my feelings, I like to reframe my thinking and end on a positive note. Listening to calm music also has the power to change our mood. I remember in high school, my art teacher had classical music playing in the background all the time, and I remember always feeling so calm during her class, and I know that music had a lot to do with it. But of course, it doesn't have to be classical music. You can play any kind of music that's calming and relaxing to you. I personally like to listen to nature sounds or binaural beats, and I play them in the background when I'm working, and I find it really helps to keep me focused and calm. One of my go-to rituals when I'm feeling a little bit stressed is drinking a cup of tea. And my favorite, of course, is green tea, which is known to have a calming effect on the body. But even just the process of making the tea and sipping on it slowly can be very therapeutic if you're practicing mindfulness along with it. Yoga can also minimize stress levels. When we're experiencing stress or anxiety, our body is physically here, but our mind is in a million different places thinking about all the things we have to do or worrying about something in the past or future. And yoga is all about connecting your mind and your body, and that's why it's so beneficial, especially in times of stress. And you don't even have to leave your house to do it. There are so many free yoga videos online. My personal favorite resource is Yoga with Adriene here on YouTube. I highly recommend any of her yoga videos, not only in stressful moments, but as a daily practice as well. A change of scenery can also help in times of stress. One of my favorite ways to do that is by spending time outside in nature. Studies have shown that spending 20 to 30 minutes outside can help lower stress hormone levels. So whether that's taking a hike or simply walking barefoot in my backyard, I love to practice earthing, connecting with nature, and breathing in fresh air really helps to clear my mind and always puts me in a better mood. I mentioned yoga, but exercise in general can help shift our mood. Physical activity lowers stress hormones and stimulates the production of endorphins, which help boost our mood. So I love to exercise, but especially when I'm feeling overwhelmed or frustrated, I like to channel all of that negative energy and release it through the workout. And it feels so good. Those always end up being some of the best workouts. Aromatherapy is a simple and natural way to reduce stress. It works by stimulating the parts of our brain responsible for our emotions. That's why certain scents can take us back to very specific moments in our lives. So whether it's lighting a candle or diffusing essential oils, there are scents that can help calm our mind. One of the most popular and my all-time favorite is lavender. Anything with a lavender scent brings so much peace to me. After a long, stressful day, there's nothing more relaxing to me than taking a nice, warm bath. I like to add Epsom salt to help relieve any aches in my muscles from tension that I've accumulated. And this is also the perfect moment to add some of the other things I've mentioned, like aromatherapy or music, to create an even more calming atmosphere. Another relaxing activity that I love for minimizing stress is art. Art can help take your mind off of stressful thoughts by putting you in a state of flow. And that's why I love it, because when I'm coloring, drawing, or painting, I'm not thinking about anything else. So art in general is very therapeutic because it brings your attention to the present moment. Practicing mindfulness can be a challenge, especially when you're already stressed, but it's also the one thing that can instantly free you of it, because when you're mindful, you're present. You're in the here and now. My way of practicing this is through meditation. Every time I meditate, I know my mindfulness muscle is getting stronger, and then I'm able to apply this to my everyday activities. Typically, when we're stressed, our minds are in the future. So having that ability to bring our minds back to the present moment is one of the most powerful tools to have if we want to live a stress-free life. I used to be a person that stressed out easily about anything and everything. I lived in a constant state of stress, but I once heard someone say, "Nothing is anything until you make it something." So what are you making it? Are you creating drama unnecessarily? That's when I realized that although life happens, I have a choice. I choose how I want to react to any given situation. Sometimes all it takes is a shift in perspective, and then magically, everything changes. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video with somebody you think can benefit from it, and I will see you all next time.